to the channel. Today we're here to show you how to put on your lashes so it perfectly blends into your lash line. With the application, you want to make sure you prepare lash curler, lash glue, your lashes, as well as eyeliner. So the first thing you want to do is curl your lashes so that way your lashes follow the natural curve of the false lashes. With that, you'll be able to mold the two together much easier. So you don't have this motion coming into play when you see your real lashes along with the false lashes later on. You want to make sure the curvature is very similar. And at the same time, you do not want to curl it too much, otherwise it'll be difficult for you to put your lashes on because it'll be wanting to poke up. Then you can just put the curved part onto your eyelid and curl up. Once you have that ready, you can go ahead and line your inner waterline so you don't see a weird gap. I like to tight line it so you are just lining right below the lashes as well as right in between the lashes to fill the gaps. So now I have my Mini Beauty lashes here. I cut it from the original length to fit my eye length. If it's too long, it will definitely hit your inner corner as well as make your eyes uncomfortable when you're blinking. If it's too short, it will look abruptly long in certain parts only. So you want it to blend very well by making sure it is the correct length. When you're measuring the width of the eyelashes, you want it to end right at the outer corner where your last lash ends. And then when you're measuring the inner corner, you want to make sure it doesn't go all the way in, but leave a 2 to 3 millimeter gap so it's not poking your inner corner when you blink. So now I can get this lash ready by applying the glue.
So you want to apply a generous coat of glue back and forth on the band to ensure you get glue in all of the crevices. Apply a little extra on the inner and outer corner.
Now we have to play the waiting game. To ensure the glue is tacky enough, you want to wait about 30 seconds for the glue to dry partially. And once it's dry enough, then we can apply the lashes without worrying about it slipping and sliding. The glue will start to look a little more clear once it starts drying. I always like to anchor right in the middle. So the lashes should be able to stick onto your eyes by itself, and then use the tweezer to anchor the end as well as the front. Once you have the direction on correctly, you can use a little bit of pressure from your fingertips to push the lashes onto your eyelids. Use your fingers to push and manipulate the lashes into your lash line and to ensure a security of attachment. At this time, you can also adjust the lift of your lashes. If you want it to go more up, you can lift it up a little bit like this. Or if your eyelids flip up a lot, then you can also maneuver it downwards too, depending on your liking. I prefer my lashes looking more natural, so I do not like a very upturned lash look. Hence, I only push it up slightly instead of really driving it up. So here's another way you can try applying your lashes if you don't like seeing the eyeliner on top. Use a little bit of glue on your lashes below. So just remember not to get on your waterline. Yeah. Okay. So now we put the lashes underneath. Again, attaching it in the middle and anchoring it to the front and to the back. You just want to finalize it by clamping the lashes together so they look like one set. Can you see the difference? So when you close your eyes now, you don't see a lash band here. If you like it to look like it's growing out of your own natural lash line. Make sure you don't put glue on your actual waterline. This is another quick and easy way for you to apply Mini Beauty lashes without too much trouble. Oh, I love it.
That's actually a good technique for people.
Uh-huh.
Do you feel like it's very easier to put on?
It's pretty easy.
Oh, it looks so good.
You should try it. You should try it. You have your lashes.
It looks so good on you.
It looks good on you too. Looks good on everyone. That's makeup for me and you.
Oh, maybe I should start wearing it like that.